Scientists that have contribution in microbiology. Anthony van Leeuwenhoek, 1632 to 1723, he is the father of microbiology and was the first to observe and describe bacteria and protozoa using simple microscopes, and he called all the microorganisms animalcules. Louis Pasteur, 1822 to 1895, he disproved spontaneous generation and established the germ theory of disease, and he also developed pasteurization. This is the process of removing bad microorganisms in the food, and created vaccines for rabies and anthrax. Robert Koch, 1843 to 1910, he proved that specific microbes cause specific disease, and he formulated Koch's postulates. He identified Bacillus anthracis, a bacteria causing anthrax, the Mycobacterium tuberculosis, which causes the TB or tuberculosis disease, and Vibrio cholerae, a disease, a bacteria causing disease, cholera. Edward Jenner is 1749 to 1823. He developed the first successful vaccine for smallpox and used the cowpox to protect against smallpox. He is known as the father of immunology. Joseph Lister, 1827 to 1912, he introduced antiseptic surgery and used the carbolic acid to reduce surgical infections, and he founded the infection control. Ignaz Semmelweis, 1818 to 1865, he demonstrated that hand washing prevents puerperal fever, and he introduced hand hygiene in obstetrics. He is known as the father of hand hygiene. Paul Ehrlich, 1854 to 1915, he proposed selective toxicity or the magic bullet concept, and he developed Salvarsan for syphilis. He is the founder, or he created the foundation of chemotherapy. Alexander Fleming, 1881 to 1955, he discovered penicillin from Penicillium mold, and he observed antibacterial activity by chance, and it was known as the beginning of the antibiotic era. Salman Waxman, 1888 to 1973, he discovered streptomycin and was the first one to create an effective treatment for tuberculosis and coined the term antibiotic. Eli Mechnikov, 1845 to 1916, he discovered phagocytosis and described cellular immunity, and he is the founder of innate immunology. Dmitry Ivanovsky and Martinus Becherink, he demonstrated that viruses are filterable infectious agents, and he established virology as a field. Frederick Griffith, 1928, he discovered bacterial transformation and showed transfer of genetic material between bacteria. Avery MacLeod and McCarthy, 1944, they proved that DNA is the genetic material. Joshua Lederberg, he discovered bacterial conjugation, advanced understanding of horizontal gene transfer. Barry Marshall and Robin Warren proved Helicobacter pylori causes peptic ulcers and changed treatment from antacids to antibiotics. That's all. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.